Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. I am Annie and today I wanted to slow things down a bit. I started this channel because I believe creativity should feel safe, joyful and personal, especially in cosplay. As we step into 2026, I wanted to share some positive affirmations you can return to whenever you feel unsure about your cosplays, your progress or yourself. Find a comfortable seat or lie down, whatever feels comfortable right now. If it feels right for you, you can close your eyes, or you can leave your eyes open and focus on a point in front of you. It's okay to say, "It's good enough," and go to bed. There is not a single thing I need to change about my body to cosplay. I can create anything I put my mind to. I am still learning and I am allowed to make mistakes. I deserve to take up space in this community. Cosplay is a form of self-expression. The more I embrace it, the more my confidence will grow. I can do this. I am imaginative, I am creative, and full of innovative ideas. I am great at embodying my characters in my own unique way. I am deserving of compliments and praise. My worth is not measured by numbers on social media. I am allowed to enjoy cosplay exactly as I am, right now. I choose joy over perfection.